2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, bed liner, trip computer, power windows, compass, security system, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.